is broken, torn apart, when hope feels distant, far from your heart, lift your voice to the one above. He restores with endless love. God, when in need of restoration, pray. He will heal the hurt, make a brand new way. From the ashes, beauty will rise. God restores with mercy's light. When your strength is gone and tears still fall,